Yeah, but don't pass the line. That's like right before the line. Okay, today is what? Anong date ngayon?
Today is the 27th.
Saan tayo pupunta? Tagalog.
Pupunta tayo sa bahay ni Armin.
Okay. Anong oras ka uwi?
Alas 8.
Sa 8, uwi ka na, ha? Paluhin kita sa pet. Pag alas 8, wala ka pa, ha?
Have I drove? I feel like I've drove here before. Did I drive here last time?
Oo, ikot tayo doon. Pumunta doon ka lang. Nag-drive ka na dito. Okay. Watch the speed limit, okay?
Boy, it's really hot.
Okay, turn on the AC. Let me know pag aalis kayo, anak, ha? O dyan ka lang sa bahay nila, ha?
Yes, I will.
Okay, slow down. This car's coming out from the gate. Okay, we're gonna turn right at the light. What's this song?
Japanese demo.
Yes, anak. Alam mo na, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay. Lamig naman. Okay. Malapit na po kami. Salita ka daw. Walang voice over.
Ha?
Walang voice over. Nasaan na tayo?
Nasa Park Villas.
Okay. Watch your mirrors on the left. Okay, dito na kami sa Park Villa, sa bahay ng kaibigan niya. Shattered.
Ay!
Oh, ay.
Ay!
Okay. Okay, go park and call her. Stop. Stop, you're too close.
Boy!
What if he backs up? Okay, park.
Park?
Yeah. It's gonna take forever. Ang lamig naman eh. Okay.
Alrighty.
Truck pa ng basura sa likod mo. Okay. Ay! Ay, naku!
What?
Ay, naku!
Those bumps are big.
Hindi niya alam saan siya pupunta. Huwag siya masyadong dikitan.
Come on, man.
Okay, overtake him. I'm done with him. Apo?
Wow, this truck also overtake me.
Okay.
Okay, gonna signal here.
Okay. The face. Look at that.
Boy!
Boy, a little bit wide.
It's fine. Nobody's here.
Okay. Saka
Alright, time to speed.
Bahala ka.
Look at that Porsche.
Ayoko yan. Okay.
Okay. Do I go just here? Or
Just
should
park
I
right there. No, hindi naman sa atin yan. Magagalit sa... Oh, sige.
Ready?
It's too close.
Too close? What do you mean?
Okay,
too close?
sige. Okay, tama lang. Sige lang, right.
Why is the road
Right.
crooked? Ay!
Okay, sige lang, right lang anak, right. When you park it, okay. Sige, pa-right. Okay, straighten yung manibela. Okay, sit.
There, that's it.
Okay.
Boy, what is on your pants?
I don't know.
Okay.
The sabon.
Let me tell her. Okay. She hasn't answered me, but I'm just gonna
Okay.
go.
Miss ka na?
Yeah.
Kaya chonky, sabihin mo sa kami chonky kayo, ha?
What's that?
Okay.
Smoke?
Hmm.
Oh, okay.
Bye-bye. Bye na. Mag-ingat ka, ha?
Where's my bag?
I-text mo ako rin, Chin, ha?
I will.
Banatang kita dyan, eh.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye na, Claudia. Where's the key? Okay. Bye. Monsieur Forma. Ano kailangan mo?
Nothing.
Okay. Like Monsieur Forma. Gusto ko na ganyan pants.
What about
Alam
the
ba niya
hoodie?
nandito? Ha?
What about the hoodie?
I like it. Saan galing yan?
Aiden.
Aiden? Tingin. Ano
From
tata?
Aiden. Arlene is
Okay.
already right there.
Hi!
Okay.
Bye!
Dad.
Happy holidays! Bye, anak! Okay, you guys enjoy. Bye!